Its.Alexaaa, and so today I will be putting my fidgets back in that drawer because I play with all my fidgets. I play with my fidgets like all the time and they get lost, and yeah. So most of them are in the bathroom because like I take baths with them and I wash them, and then I just made a video with that. Here it is. I've been looking for this one. I've been looking for that one. But yeah, we're gonna go get some in the bathroom. So I'll see you there. Okay. Now we're in the bathroom. Sorry about the noise. Okay. So now, yeah, here are my poppets. But I have some poppets that are over here. They're in here. They're in this like pink bucket. Sorry, I'm having like a struggle like that. Okay, so we got that. All good. And then we have these poppets, which some of them are still buckets. Most of them are not. So I'm gonna check on you guys once I get all these fidgets in the bucket. Okay guys, so I'm back. Sorry. My room is very messy. So some of them are really wet. As you can see, it's like really wet on this poppet. It's like wet. So, because they've been in the bathtub. I have this lobster. I love this lobster. It has really good pops. So this lobster pop, it has really good pops. And then, there's this one. Okay, I have a bunch of fidgets right now. So, sorry guys. I just woke up, well not exactly just woke up, had breakfast and everything, but, oh, I forgot my ring light. Okay, so, I've got in my bucket of fidgets. Well, some of my fidgets, they're not allowed to be in water, so, like, most of them are not wet. For example, fidget spinner, this thing, and then another fidget spinner. So, yeah. And then I also have a squishy monkey. If you guys don't know, I got it from a mystery fidget pack. I really want to find another one of those in Walmart. I might go somewhere. Oh, and by the way, guys, I lost a tooth last night, like, there, but, yeah. Okay. Oh, no. And I don't normally take, like, any of my dimples at all, like, any of my dimples in the water for some reason. I just don't want them to touch water. But, yeah, it is what it is. Okay, so I have some fidgets in the drawer that I'm going to take out, so I might as well go and take them out right now. Okay guys, I'm back, and so I didn't really have quite much. My drawers, oh no, put you on my bed. Okay. My baskets are overflowing right now, so I found a few poppets, well, a lot of poppets. So this was actually supposed to be a hard poppet, but it broke. And I love these pops. Like, I wish that hard poppet never broke. If you're wondering what happened to it, there was like a bunch of holes in the top because we got it from a cheap fidget package. And yeah. And then the rest of these poppets that you see in the video that are like broken, I probably cut. Or they were already broken and we didn't like it, so we cut them. Anyways, this I cut because I wanted to make a simple dimple. It was my other Paisley. Oh no, I'm gonna have to wash this. There is rust in it. How nasty is that? Okay, this one's going in quarantine. We don't want any of my other poppets getting sick. So, kind of keep that one, social distance. I have this one. It's like, I love it so much. I love it. This thing, I found it in my purse. Don't know where it came from, but I found it in my purse. It's like a poppet, but it's not a poppet at all. Don't know what it's for, but I found it in my purse because I went to my friend's house. So I don't know what happened. I found it in my purse. And then I have this number poppet thingy. I have a few bracelets, a game controller. I don't really want this anymore because my enemy touched it and he's gross. And yeah, just a couple of other fidgets left. She just came into my room and looked at my fan. Okay, I love these pops. That is amazing. This nice poppet. This pineapple and then this. I feel like I'm missing something. I am missing something. I mean, no, you guys are missing something. You guys did not hit that subscribe button. That's what we're missing. But anyways, we're going to move on to my drawers. I really thought this would just take like 5 seconds to move, but it's really. I have a Steelers thing and a little thing that goes in. It's really satisfying when you put it in. The reason why that I found out why this poppet got rust. It's because I left it in water. Like, I had this little container of water and that poppet was inside of it, and then it got rusty because it has a keychain. So from now on, when I take a bath with my poppets, I have to make sure that I don't leave any keychains on them because they will actually get rust. I don't know if I should take this unicorn, or I don't even know if I should take this Play-Doh, which I played with a lot, and I changed the color, and it's really icky. Mushy, ew. Yeah, I recommend playing with that, but I recommend you playing with it with your gloves on, because, it's disgusting. Anyways, I'm going to go to my drawers, so we're gonna see ya. Okay, so we're at my drawers now, and yeah, this big old bag was in my poppet drawer. Stay tuned to see what that's all about. It's gonna come on April 9th. I don't know if I'm gonna record, but that is my birthday party because my real birthday is on April 12th. Okay. So, God, trust me. Okay. So first things first, I'm going to take out everything in these buckets. I'm gonna dump them all out. If you're wearing headphones, I'd rather you take them off right now. Okay, never mind. You don't have to take off your headphones. Okay. Okay, I have another container I'll go get. It's like right here somewhere. I have this thing that I knitted. Well, I don't know what it's called, but I did something with it, and I made this like bowl. It's like really ugly, but I tried. Okay, so this bowl, I might fill it. Oh, it has, "He that believe on me hath everlasting life. I am the bread of life." John 6:47-48. So it says. Yeah, I did that in Bible school, Bible study, whatever it's called. Okay, Okay, I think I'm gonna start off with the pop drawer because that's mostly what I see. Because, guys, that's mostly what you guys see. So, let's start with the pop drawer. Oh, there's still some monkey noodles in here. Oh my gosh, only monkey noodles and, oh, dang it. My mochis are on my rug that is really sparkly. Yeah, I'm just gonna start with poppets. Okay, so, this container right here, yep, this one in front of you, I think I'm gonna fill it up with my mini poppets. It will just look cute because I want to, so. Okay, first we're going to find all the mini poppets or something like that, and then we're going to put it in this bowl. So, I'm gonna find all my mini poppets. Oh, these things, whatever they're called. I have a ton of mini ones because I went to my friend's birthday party and there was mini poppets in the piñata. Oh, we might need a bigger container. No, my mini Nito. It's for my doji. Where's my doji skin? Anyways. Oh, I know that there's a poppet over here. Oh, here it is. Here's my doji skin. Okay, I'm pretty sure that's all my mini poppets. So here it is. So we're gonna go put this in. Well, I'm gonna go put this in and then I'll check on you guys to put my regular size poppets in there. So we're gonna see ya. Okay, so I'm back. I loaded those poppets and then, oh, I forgot this mini poppet. Let me guess, you guys might have thought I was scared, but I'm not because I just found this is actually a really, really good poppet. I'm gonna keep this one to play with. I keep my fidgets to play with all the time. I forgot a fidget in the couch. I have a poppet bracelet. But who cares right now? Okay, so I'm going to get all my circles. Yes, your circle. I treated like almost all my circles. Do we still have that special one? Oh, right. Yeah, I only have 2 because I traded some. This is kind of like in the shape of a circle, and plus it goes with the category, so I guess we're gonna have this. Okay, so first we're going to put squares, and I forgot a mini poppet again. Okay. Actually, I think it would be better if I put my mini poppets in this container. Because it would just look neater. Because I have like so much. I'm going to actually throw in my cut up poppets also. Because I have a bunch of them and I don't have a category for them. Okay. Pretty sure that's it. Okay. Oh, dang it. I wish it would fit. Because, oh, that actually fits so perfectly. Just there. But, I put it in there. And I'm just going to show you the after result, guys. Okay. Got in squares. I'm going to. So here it is so far. I'm actually just going to load it in like right now. You guys, I'm gonna go here. Okay, circle poppets are over there. And squares. I don't have enough room in there. So, now I'm going to gather all of the food poppets. Here's a popsicle. Hamburger. And then I remember I have one more food fidget. There it is. Okay. And then this like kitty Hawaiian popsicle. It's cute. Okay. Like food poppets are gonna go right there. Okay. Ew, that's gross. It's so hairy. You gotta be kidding me. This acupressuring has rust. Anyways, now we need animal. Oh wait, there's another food poppet. I forgot about this one. It has amazing pops. Well, of course, because it's Top Trends. Top Trends has the best popping poppets. Amazing. Gotta go throw this in. Okay. Next, we're going to have all my animal poppets. We have this turtle poppet, and we have this lobster. That's right. So squish you guys in somewhere. It's not working out. Like I still have a ton more. Well, my bracelet poppets. I think I'm just going to put them with my mini poppets. Is this all my bracelets? Oh, right, I have one on the couch. Yeah, I'm gonna go get that one later, but my bracelets and mini poppets. Okay, and then the last poppets that I have is this shooting star pop. This, are you kidding me? Another mini poppet. We have this smiley face and shooting star, and then my purses. I don't know if I should put my purse poppets in there. Okay, I forgot about this weird thing. Okay, yeah. I think I'm just going to put that shooting star somewhere in there. I just noticed that I mostly have mini poppets. I don't know, because like a lobster, you could eat a lobster or a lobster. This is a jumbo poppet. It's a jumbo poppet. It's not the biggest poppet I've ever seen. Well, it's probably, maybe it's the biggest poppet you've seen, but it's not the biggest poppet that I ever seen, because if you guys are new, I got this for Christmas. Santa. Okay. So, yeah, it's not the biggest poppet I've ever seen. But, yeah. I'm just gonna... See, look at size comparison. Like, that is so big. I haven't gone to Target ever since they got in, like, they launched their new poppets. I asked my mom if we could go there today. A little marble for your poppets. Okay, what number? We're going to play a game, guys. I'm just gonna use the shooting star. Okay, guys, pick a number. You guys probably picked a number. Okay, I'm gonna start on the pink part of the star. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. If you guys guessed 32, then you were correct. 32s. Right. Is that yellow one? popping right now. But yeah, if you guys got that correct, pat yourself on the back and subscribe for more. I'm actually gonna start doing that. And I want to have a marble from marble mesh, and I try to put the marble back in the marble mesh, but it didn't work. Okay, the only purse poppet that I'm going to put in there is this purse, and this rainbow poppet, and the unicorn poppet. They're gonna hang on my hooks, whatever it's called. Okay, fine. You guys, I'm hearing you guys really want a rematch. If you guys got it wrong. So we're going to do this controller poppet. Put it in right there. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Did you guys guess 4? If you did, you guys didn't. Okay. Hope you guys did it because I'm not going to do any more today. Okay. There's going to be like probably many parts to this. Okay, I'm going to need all my dimples, Here you are, here you are, here you are. I only have 3 dimples, really? Right, I traded some. Yeah, I traded some. Only mochis. Here you are, you're so dirty. You too. Kinda dirty, really dirty. So, monkey noodles. Come on, we're going on a field trip. Monkey noodle here. 2 textured monkey noodles in this heart thingy. Okay, we're gonna try to do this really quick. Fidget spinners. Who is a fidget spinner? Where's my bag chains? Literally only have 1. Puzzle cubes. Here you are. Fidget spinners. I called your name already. You're almost late on the field trip. Squishies. Anyone a squishy? Yes, you need a doji. Put your outfit back on because tomorrow's Halloween. I mean, today's Halloween. Just joking. Today's not Halloween. Did probably have to put you guys in a different compartment. This is a squishy, but it has a case. That's a squishy. It's like a hard squishy. But I don't have room. Okay, going to load this into this drawer. There we go. Okay. Oh, I already called bike chains and did I call marbles? I'm losing fidgets. I only have like 2 marble meshes. Okay, squishies. Okay, that might be it. I'm gonna put all these in here. So I got background ones. I'm gonna need stretchy banana and hot soup. Are you serious? I thought I had another one of these. Anyways, there's this. It's a bendy fidget toy. It's like really bendy, so I recommend it. A fidget toy. See? Also, like really cute lemurs. Oh, here's my blue marble and mesh. And I'm sorry. Squishy. Wacky tracks. Here you guys are. I need another organizer. gonna be the random drawer. Because I have no organizer right now. It's usually better when I have one organizer. Never mind. And then I'll just hang these two poppet purses. Don't know where this goes. I'm just gonna put it between my poppets. Okay, that closes. But yeah. Anyways, that's for today. Hope you guys enjoyed, and that's Its.Alexaaa officially tuning out. Oh, before you guys go, subscribe. That would really help me. And yeah. Anyways, that's for today. Hope you guys enjoyed, and that's Its.Alexaaa tuning out officially. Like and subscribe. Hope you guys enjoyed today's content.